Hey everybody, Mark with Gen X Carpentry, licensed contractor since 2003. We do carpentry specific work. Custom kitchens, closets, home offices, garage storage, master bathrooms, guest bathrooms, you name it. If it's cabinet related, you need architectural millwork or custom design, we can do all that for you. What sets us apart is we build everything locally here. We don't source anything from the East Coast or the West Coast as far as having someone else make it and get it delivered. We build everything right here on site. So if there's an issue, we can just go down to the shop, make a new part or change it and come back out to you and get you up and running. So I've been a licensed contractor since 2003. I have all the necessary licenses, bonds, and needed insurance to work in your home or business. So if you need us, give us a call, 702-355-4442, and we can come out and give you a consultation on your project. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.